How's it going, dive buddies? It is Kyle here, and today is January 1st, 2018. It is a new year. Could not be more excited for what's in store this year, who we're going to be diving with, where we're going to be diving, what we're going to see. 2017 was an awesome year. We launched our channel. I had a small dream of getting at least 100 subscribers and at least 1,000 views across all of our videos, and we surpassed that with 127 subscribers and 10,000 views as of this morning. And I know to some that may not seem like a lot, but to me it means the world, and I thank you guys for all of your love, all of your support, all of the likes, all of the subscriptions, all of the comments and feedback. You guys are great. We love you so much. Keep doing it, and we're gonna keep pumping out awesome scuba content for you guys. Now, it's tradition here for the local divers in our area to do a New Year's Day dive. That is, we wake up early on January 1st, we roll out of bed, we lug all of our equipment down to the dive site, and we do a dive to start the new year off with a bang. Now, unfortunately, because we live in beautiful southern Ontario and we've had several weeks of crazy negative temperatures, all the local quarries have frozen over, making them impossible for us to go and do our New Year's Day dive. So, this is going to have to do.